Unit number 9, Quality Education, a Key to Success. Question number 1 is, how has quality education been defined in the text? Answer is, quality education is defined in the text as an approach that equips individuals with the knowledge, skills, values and attitudes necessary to live productive and fulfilling lives. It emphasizes holistic learning, preparing students to thrive in a rapidly changing world and promoting sustainable development. Question number 2 is, name 3 benefits of quality education mentioned in the essay. 3 benefits of quality education mentioned in the essay are: it fosters economic growth and reduces poverty. Number 2 is promotes gender equality and empowers women. Number 3, it helps protect the environment by encouraging sustainable practices. Question number 3 is, why is human capital development important for a country's economic growth and sustainable development? Human capital development is important because it enhances the knowledge, skills, and health of individuals, which are essential for contributing effectively to economic growth and development. Question number 4, describe the role of education in reducing inequality and poverty. Education plays a key role in reducing inequality and poverty by providing equal opportunities for all, regardless of background, gender, or ethnicity. It equips marginalized population with the skills and knowledge necessary to break the cycle of poverty and contribute to inclusive economic growth. Question number 5 is, how does quality education promote understanding and tolerance? Quality education promotes understanding and tolerance by teaching students about different cultures, religions, and perspectives. This fosters natural respect, reduces prejudices, and helps in building a more inclusive and cohesive society. Question number 6, how does teaching entrepreneurship in schools promote economic growth? Teaching entrepreneurship in schools promote economic growth by encouraging students to develop innovative ideas and entrepreneurial skills. This can lead to the creation of new businesses, job opportunities, and the development of the economy through innovation and investment. Question number 7, why is STEM education important for driving innovation? STEM education, science, technology, engineering, mathematics, drives innovation by equipping students with technical skills, problem solving abilities, and a mindset for tackling global challenges. It fosters curiosity, encourages experimentation, and prepares them for advancing technology and science. Question number 8, can you think of any ways to improve the quality of education in your own school or community? One way to improve the quality of education in my school and community is by investing in teacher training and providing them with up to date resources. Encouraging the use of technology in the classroom can also enhance learning experiences, allowing students to access a broader range of knowledge and skills. Block question number 1, how does quality education empower individuals? Quality education empowers individuals by providing them with essential skills such as literacy, numeracy, and digital literacy. It builds confidence, fosters critical thinking, and opens doors to better economic opportunities. It also enables individuals to actively participate in social, economic, and political affairs, advocating for their rights and contributing to societal developments. ब्लॉक क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 जो रीडिंग के दौरान बुक पेज नंबर 108 पे आपको मिलेगा. व्हाट स्पेसिफिक स्किल्स डज एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड दैट कंट्रीब्यूट टू ब्रेकिंग द साइकिल ऑफ पॉवर्टी. Education provides literacy, numeracy, vocational training, and digital literacy skills. These enhance employability, leading to better job opportunities and economic independence. By equipping individuals with these skills, education reduces income inequality and breaks the intergenerational cycle of poverty. Block question number 3. What does STEM stand for? STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. What issues undermine the effectiveness of education system? Several issues undermine the effectiveness of the education system, such as outdated curricula, lack of teacher training, low salaries, and teacher shortages. These factors reduce the quality of education, making it difficult to meet the needs of the modern workforce. Vocabulary Part A. Write the contextual meanings of the above highlighted word, then consult a dictionary to find out their synonyms. फर्स्ट वर्ड इज बसलिंग. कॉन्टेक्चुअल मीनिंग है इसका फुल ऑफ एक्टिविटी, नॉइस एंड एनर्जी, लिवली एंड बिजी. Synonyms are busy, lively, bustling, and active. Aromatic, contextual meaning having a pleasant and distinctive smell, often related to food, spices, or flowers. Synonyms fragrant, scented, perfumed, odorous, redolent. Next word is vibrant, full of life, color or energy, lively and dynamic. Synonyms are lively, vivid, dynamic, spirited, colorful, energetic. Next is energy, the strength or vitality required for physical or mental activity, enthusiasm or power. Synonyms are vitality, vigor, liveliness, enthusiasm, dynamism, power. B. Fill in the blank using the words from the passage. Use the context clues to help you choose the correct word. Number 1 is the dash city of Lahore is known for its rich culture and lively streets. Bustling city, Masroof Shahar. Number 2 is the chef prepared a dash dish that filled the kitchen with a delightful smell. Aromatic, khushbudar. Number 3, the market was full of dash colors with stalls selling everything from clothes to jewelry. Vibrant, roshan or chamakdar. Number 4 is despite the challenges, the people of the village showed great dash and continued to work hard, showed great resilience. Lachak. After a long day, he found a dash spot by the lake to relax. Serene, Purskoon, Itminan Baksh. Number 6, the students showed a lot of dash during the sports day, participating in all events with enthusiasm, energy, takat.